Hi everyone, my name is Matt Kruczek and welcome to my course, Creating a TypeScript Declaration File. I am the VP of Mobile Web and AI here at Talon. In this course, we're going to learn the ins and outs of TypeScript declaration files, including what they are, why they are useful, and how to create them. Some of the major topics we will cover include exploring the different library patterns contained in declaration files. This includes what they are used for, and how to identify them. Discovering how to create your own declaration files and some of the options available to you. And finally, learning how to publish a newly created declaration file. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge necessary to allow you to create, update, and maintain your own TypeScript declaration files. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of TypeScript, including modules and namespaces. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about TypeScript declaration files with the Creating a TypeScript Declaration File course at Pluralsight.